Well, YouTube, here we are. We are packed up and ready to go, right, Polly?
Yes.
It's been a hard day. We have all. She just arrived, and last minute shoppings. So we are going to Texas, and we are going to on this very long trip.
Yes, we had a lot of meat.
So the truck is basically set up. The kids' room / it's clean, nice and clean. Obviously they have tables installed, but we gotta go to this once we gotta do an outfitting of a truck. But these cars are not going. We're gonna drive in one. Polly's truck is staying as well. For fancy schmancy Range Rover. And we're basically ready to rock and roll. So tomorrow in the morning, we shipping out at 5 o'clock in the morning. So we will see you at 5, all ready to rock. Everything is packed up, everything is good to go. The tools are in, everything else, we are plugged in. This is our plugs. We are running power right now through the extension cord. And all we have left for tomorrow is basically bikes. We have bikes. We have, what else we have?
Cooler?
Oh yeah, the cooler, because the cooler we're running, the ice packs go in the freezer, and then we transfer them over to the cooler. It makes it a very comfortable thing. So we're gonna have to run around in the ice slashing and everything else. So we have a cooler. What else we have? We have a bicycles for the kids and us, and
us.
And us.
Don't forget us.
Yeah, and Jack. That's it. Yeah. Anyways, hello YouTube, good morning. We are 7:29. It's much earlier, little later, an hour later than we're supposed to come. We set up, ready to rock and roll. Are we set up?
Yes.
Are we?
We are. We set up, all ready to go. All we need is a cup of coffee.
And cup of coffee? Woohoo! Cup of coffee. Where are we gonna get the cup of coffee from?
Wawa!
Now, Wawa is our favorite store. And we originally from PA, New York, PA, and then here in Florida. But Wawa came to Florida. It's a blessing.
Yes.
So I think that I can find it as a religion. Wawa is not a gas station. Wawa is a
more than gas station.
A religion. Yeah. Have you been drinking last night? All right. Anyway, so we are. This is where we are, set up for the bikes and everything else. So ready to rock and roll. So we'll see you on the road. Polly's cooking on my yard. We on a stop decided to stop and have a meal. So manja. The kids are out somewhere. They're walking the dog. So they're there somewhere. But here we are on a very busy truck stop. Not a truck stop, sorry, rest stop. So chilling.
And it's very cold.
It's not cold. It's not cold yet.
65 degrees.
65 degrees for Floridians is cold. We are frozen.
Yes. I don't think we're gonna have to change the ice in the cooler.
True.
It's gonna get frozen.
It's true. Hey guys, we have driven for 10-11 hours to Pensacola, Florida from Miami. Got us in one of the cabins here. We'll give you a little tour of the cabins. Say hi, Jack. As Dar. It's pretty cold, so we have all the equipment. We gotta try to work inside. But this is our famous front runner, forks and knives and the whole setup. Somebody's texting somebody.
Hi.
Dar. Hi, Dar.
Hi.
So everybody's getting ready to get some rest. We're gonna cook. So basically, this little cabin, it's a door, window, queen size bed, and the bunks. Kids love these bunks. Very woodish, very pioneer wise, and pioneer like. It's very cool. We like this cabin.
We got the heater.
Yeah, we got a heater right here, which is working full blown.
It's about 40 degrees in Florida.
And we love it.
Oh yeah.
No.
But it's okay. Mwah. But it's alright.
We'll
do
survive.
It. And Dan is playing golf outside in 40-degree weather. So he's a golfer. So he likes golf.
She got
Anyways.
frostbite.
And yeah, the dog got frostbite, but she's blonde. But it's okay. The blondies do that. So and Jack. I used to Jack say hi. There you go. Good boy, Jackie. Good dog. So anyways, signing off, saying good night, and then we'll go on and see you tomorrow. We have another day coming. Alright, later. Bye.